They have. I remember this game because it was the first, like one of the first online Ratchets. And then there's Deadlock. I think was also on the PS3. And then there was the PS2. Sorry. And then like the PS3 ones were the what is it? Tools of Destruction and a Clank in Time. They had two of them that was on the PS3 before, and those were really good as well. And they just continue off the story. Really, really good. The series was like good on each game that came out, like main game. There's a lot of other like random PSP games and shit. I don't mess with those. No. Oh, wait. I'm stacked right now. I got 177. I don't really need money now that I think about it. Yeah, I bought like everything. Wow, I'm stacked, dude. Got that fat money stacks. But everything starts to get like ridiculously expensive later on, so. I got the highest armor. I'm rich as fuck. Anything in? I can throw my stacks on there. Scoop nose, split nose. Got this equip, high ordnance. I don't think these do anything. You just make your plane look cooler, really. That's all it really is. That's all it really is. Color.
Anybody know what the big red button does?
That's all it is, mono back there, yeah. Yeah, I gotta meet Courtney Gears, but I'm gonna wait off on that a little bit. Get some of these crystals. They don't take that long to get either. No, I honestly woke up really, really late. Like, I woke up probably about like an hour or so ago. Exactly, Jirai. Who wants something don't put on prepared? I'll be there, and when I leave there, it better be a household name. With a man telling me it's gonna rain, but I'll be sitting in the top soaking wet. Into the suit, trying not to sweat. Hit some sauce wet out the net, and this pretty here that we won't forget. 1999, when it gonna be hit me then go. Alright, let me just farm up a little bit. Why not? Cognito. Does he have anything? No, because he already has this crap. Alright. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, so I'm just gonna farm up a little bit. Level up some of my weapons, and then we're gonna go to Courtney Gears, because I'm thinking that's a boss fight. I thought the other thing was gonna be a boss fight, but I was completely wrong. Okay to be wrong. It's part of the process. Isn't it ironic? Don't you think? It's like rain. Alright, now press select. Now, see, look, this part isn't even that big. It's not even that big. Oh, they have like a thing here. Alright, let me go here. Stop doing that, please. Alright, what do I want to level up? I want like things at level 5. Is this thing? Oh, that's closed. Okay. I'll end up dying for no reason. Alright, here we go. Alright, here we go. Grenade! I don't remember what you get for doing this. Got that. I have no idea what you get for doing this. Like, not even like a slightest clue what you get for doing this. Don't know at all. this is not one. So I gotta go around here. Oh, I'm a genius. I'm a genius. Come on, buddy. I shouldn't have to get so damn close. I can keep going forward. Flag. Please get away from me. Alright, we good. Oh, that's so trippy. That is super trippy. Oh my god. Super trippy. No, I don't want to go up there. Stop it. Wait, so there's vendors down here too? Another thing. I want to get this to level 5. Versace, what's going on, man? Pass that for Stacy. Damn, I spent $400 on this. You said, be like, homie, you ain't up on this. I can't even go to the grocery store without some ones that's clean in the short with a team. You seen, living the American dream. People's highs up, got the lowest self-esteem. The prettiest people do the ugliest things. On their roads to riches and diamond rings. I bought back they 40 acres. Bum 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 ba ba bum ba. I don't remember what you get for getting all these things. You do get something, probably just a stupid trophy. Like certain that's probably all you get. Alright, so we got that. So, oh no, G's are G's the, Where are the G's on the map? No, I need to go this way. Maybe I can only access those areas with gravity. Okay. Here we go, player. This little corner, boom, baby. Alright, so we can go up. I need to go check out one little corner over there. There we go. Where would that be? There's nothing there, so here. Then turn here. There we go. Flag. Alright, so now this is level 4. I need the plasma whip to go up one more level. Then we'll have our finished out whip, whatever the hell that's gonna be. Probably sucks though, but hey. Getting much stronger, but it kind of still sucks. I'm pretty sure this is not gonna get any better though. Alright, let me check the map. Okay. I can keep going straight up. Word up. Or go down. Alright, there we go. Alright, cool. Now, what does this do? Like, it says G on it. Does that mean I can, like... What does it mean? Like another area? Whoa, where the hell am I going? Now, this is going back to the other pipe. Wait, so there's stuff back here too? It's like hidden up area? That's crazy. Dude, this game was like crazy in depth, yo. What up, Titan? Skill Master, what's up, player? I'm just playing Ratchet Clank, doing some Sewer Crystal stuff for a little bit. So if you guys have any questions, oh, nice, a vendor. That's actually really convenient. Because I know a lot of the times in the beginning of the stream it's a little bit slower, so I don't want to do anything too crazy. Why is there like no map for this place? Why the hell is there no map for this place? There should definitely be a map. Alright, there we go. Well, I can't use my jump attack. That's a little out there. What up, Dashio? Yeah, high amount of nostalgia, exactly. I want to get this up, so that's gone. I only got one ammo for all the packs things that I broke. I only get one. Come on, just break already. Alright, that sucks. 4, 5, 5 infector. That's not gonna work on them. I should shoot people. Oh. This gun, this is like the best pistol that they've ever put in the game. Like, hands down, it does mad damage for a rapid fire gun. Mad damage. Back up. And it has a ricochet on it too. Commands. I wish those broke from the other side. That you didn't have to face it from a specific side. That's a little obnoxious. Rip the naked snake, such I demand. Right now I usually stream the game Evolve at the moment. Essentially that's one of my main games at the moment, Evolve. But I do, hey, look, solid ground. I do stream whatever I want, but right now I'm just on Evolve mostly. And I do want to stream more PS3 games in the future. Which would be... Why isn't it giving me ammo for the other gun? It's kind of messed up. Whatever. Alright, so that goes back down to the thing. I need to get more stuff from up here. So Evolve, I do want to probably eventually do Killing Floor with viewers or VIP members, depending on who has it. I just feel weird paying for a game that's not finished. I did the same thing with Dungeon Defender, and I barely play it. Oh, you mother! Jesus! Oh, see, I've been here before. Okay. See, this says like, I don't like that it doesn't have an upper map. It should have an upper map. Is there a way to change that? I don't wanna. That didn't help at all. Right? I've never been I never even seen like a Star Wars movie, so it just has to be like a really good game. Like one of those games that are just good no matter what. I don't really know much about it though. I usually don't look up games. I know people are excited about it, but I know not to follow people's hype trains. Like, I was genuinely hyped over Evolve because I actually liked it. Oh, there's a bolt up here. That's really weird. Oh, no, so those things aren't new. They actually drop certain things. Oh, okay. Nah, I was never really interested in Star Wars. Well, did it just turn me around? It did. Like, it never really interests me. I never seen like a Harry Potter series. Lord of the Rings. If you want me to stop now before you completely hate the person that I am, let me know. But like, I don't know. I'm like anti like. I just don't get into like things that a lot of people just like for. I'm not gonna say random reason because I know it's not random, but like I just don't like. I don't just like automatically start liking something just because a lot of people like it. Okay, out of ammo on that gun. Making really good progress though, not gonna lie. Alright, what we got? We got some more whips. Whoop, whoop. Next time I see a vendor though, I do have to buy. So yeah, this actually means that there's gonna be a thing. Alright, so when I dodged that other thing, that was actually bad of me to do that. There we go, max that out. So if Evolve was a movie, you wouldn't like it. What do I have to do with movies? I didn't say, dude, I'm crazy. You don't like Star Wars, the movie? I never watched the movie. Like, it's hard to say I don't like something. I never watched it. I just never got into it. This didn't interest me. So there's like, dude, I'm dying for the new Star Wars movie to come out in December. Evolve movie, I think if they made a movie of Evolve, I think it would have to be more than like the whole storyline that they currently talk about, which is the 5-day evacuation. It'd have to be much deeper than that. And it'd have to be to where the point of where they're actually like trying to explain it through the dialogue of the hunters. It'd have to be to that point where you know why the monsters are there. Because basically, if you watch like Cloverfield, that's kind of like the same effect that they're trying to go for. I don't know if you ever watched Cloverfield. But Cloverfield, the whole thing was like nobody knows what's going on. It was kind of cool, but stupid at the same time. These give me all. Look, they're giving me ammo for guns I don't even have. Like, I'm only using this one gun. Whatever. Okay, I gotta find my way around to that. I hate this no map thing. It's pissing me off. But yeah, it's not even about Star Wars being a movie. It's more like just you kind of walk into it and then you know Luke's the father and stuff like that. Kind of ruins the whole like, let me go spend some time and watch this. And you kind of already know the ending of it. And then like the other movies, obviously it's like, why would I watch the other parts if I don't know the other thing, kind of thing. Something like that, I guess. You can hate me now. Am I happy to release of the PS3? No, PS2's already out. What? Wait, Star Wars the movie? Am I gonna get the game in November? Most likely not at the moment. I don't just buy games that come out. Like, I do try them if like it's new and it has a decent amount of hype in it. If it's donated, I might try it, but I try not to just, like I said, I try not to just play stuff because it's like the next thing. Like, I don't know. I don't really. When a lot of streamers do that, I feel like it's just weird. Like, I guess yes, as a streamer, you want to showcase new games. You want people to think that you're always going to be in new games. But I also want to be known as a streamer that really plays what he likes over anything and brings the most out of certain games. So I don't really have that feeling for a Star Wars game. Like, it's just not. Not that it's not me. I just don't know anything about it. I'd have to look into it. Oh my God! Please don't hurt me. Baby, don't hurt me. Like, I'm honest as hell. I will not pretend like I like a game that I don't. I also won't stream a game that I absolutely hate. Like, that's just a waste of my time. Well, I would have to play Kingdom Hearts 1 first. I've never played the Kingdom Hearts series either. I've watched them, I've just never played them. If that makes any sense. Like, I've watched the Kingdom Hearts series. Like, I've watched someone. Like, the thing was that me and my friend, basically, he would play the Kingdom Hearts, I would play the Final Fantasy. So I never myself played the Kingdom Hearts because I've always just watched my friend play it. Am I Kobe Bryant's brother? Of course I am. Because that would never, I've never heard of that. I know I'm donating money instead of games now. I've learned that lesson because people donated before. I think around the time before you came, people donated me a lot of games, and I just never got around to playing them because they were just random games that they loved. And like I was like, I didn't know that I couldn't play a game on Steam, and then like, oh, I don't like this game. Let me gift it to somebody else. I didn't know I couldn't do that. So now when people gift games, I'm like very, very cautious about it. Like I put it in my gift list, and then I know from the gift list I can add it to my thing if I look it up. But I realize how, like, it's very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. Because there's nothing you can do if you don't like the game. Okay, I did that one already, apparently. I should just clear out these bottom rows. Because I will never know when I'm done with the top shit. Like, there's no way for me to know. I'd have to make, like, my own map. Or look up a map online to make sure, like, to know when I'm doing it right or not. But here, like, it clears out. Never learned that jetpack thing? What jetpack thing? I've come a long way as a streamer, Lucky. A long way as a streamer. I thought, like, first I thought sticking to one game is like the best thing, and it kind of still is, to be honest. For most streamers, I think it is actually a little bit better to get known for something, do something really, really well, than do a bunch of things mediocre. I think I realize that that's kind of like, that's worked for more streamers than just playing a whole bunch of games. And even if you play a whole bunch of games, once you like get known for something, you should kind of stick to it a little bit. Unless it bores the fuck out of you, then hey, you can't really help that you're bored as fuck. But fucking shit. Can't help that you're bored as shit. Womp, 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 womp. You look like the son I never had. That makes no sense. No, I think you're just trolling. It was weird. For FYI, I've been streaming for a long time, so I'm used to like people saying weird shit. It just makes you turn off. It makes the streamer kind of just want to like, not time out, but like just kind of like ignore you. It's really weird. So I say, you look like my son. Like, yeah. Yeah. I've been streaming for almost 3 years. Why is this red? Going to the death zone or something? Oh, okay. No, it doesn't do that. Okay. Facing this way, right? Okay. Let me go down this hallway. And if you never had this charge boost thing, dude, that's like the best thing in this game. If you're just trying to like cover distances or whatever. Then you should be dead. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I think that's the right way. I know that one's the right way. So this is done. See, they're so close to being maxed out. I know these aren't gonna work. I mean, technically they should work. They'll just do damage, but really, I'm on the wrong side of that one. Fuck me. Like, it's so terrible against them. It's like a waste of ammo. Yeah, terrible. Whee! Alright, where else do I have to go? Oh, I gotta go through this little loop-de-loop. Alright, cool. Cool. Oh, now you're just trying too hard. Those are the worst. Okay, there we go. Found the other way. Those are the worst. I actually like people that can successfully troll. Like, they actually make good jokes. I gotta go back that way, right? Yes, where's? Shoot him up. Alright, and then down this way? This way? Wait, this way? Yeah, there we go. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Oh, okay, about to say, I want to get this one. Sweet. And I already fought that, and then we just gotta go down this way. Sweet! Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. And they expect you to like take mad damage here. Look at all these health things. And then we got a gadget hunt thing there. Sweet. Refresh on my ammo. Alright, whatever. Yay! Can you upgrade already? Holy crap. Okay. I've been wanting to do a 24-hour stream since we hit 9K, but I haven't been healthy enough to do so. I just haven't been healthy enough to do so. I really do want to do something for those those marks. So, but I haven't been healthy enough to do like 24-hour streams used to be like the funner thing to do because you get to spend time with like your entire follower group because you're on the entire day. So the likelihood of you seeing someone from your follows list is really high. And I used to do it for every time we hit 1,000, but I just haven't been healthy enough to do something like that. So I don't know. I have to think of something. We gotta hit that 95 hundo first before I think about that. Because I can always just do giveaways and stuff like that, but it just seems so short-sighted. Like, oh, what are you doing? Well, I'm just gonna give away a couple games. Like, oh, okay. That it? Yep, that's it. That's the end right there. But probably, if anything, that's probably the best I can do is give away games. But I used to like doing 24-hour stream to celebrate. Oh, what the glitch? Does that map get annoying? What, this one? Come on, level up. Wolf, wolf. Alright, this side's pretty big. I'm just doing this for a little bit so nobody misses like the Courtney Gears thing. This is the next area that I have to go to, so I'm just doing this for a little bit. Alright, where else do we have to go?